In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a membership community with System.io. To begin, open System.io and make sure you are signed in to your account. When you are ready, navigate to the area labeled Assets and then look for Communities. This is where all community spaces are managed, so it is the correct starting point for creating a new membership community. Once you are on the Communities screen, take a moment to scan what is already there. You should see existing communities along with an option to create a new one. Now click the Create button. This will start the setup flow and take you to the place where you can define the basics of your community, including its identity and how it will be accessed. Next, you will need to enter a name and a URL path for your community. The name is what people will recognize and remember, so choose something clear and aligned with what your community is about. The URL path is the part of the address that helps define where it lives on the web. Keep it short and readable, because it will appear in the community link. After you enter the name and URL path, click Save. This step is important because it creates the community structure before you customize anything else. Now that your community has been created, you can move on to the look and settings. Click on the community name to open its detailed settings. This is typically where you can adjust the design, branding, and other options that make the community feel consistent with your membership. Take your time here and review the settings you see on screen, because small adjustments at this stage help the experience feel polished from day one. After the general appearance and settings are in place, the next step is organizing your content. Add topics or discussions so people know where to go for specific types of conversations. Topics are helpful because they reduce confusion and make the community easier to navigate. As you add topics, think about how you want members to engage, whether it is announcements, support questions, feedback, or general chat. This structure will guide members naturally and keep discussions from becoming messy. Once topics are set up, you can configure access levels or membership pricing if you want to gate the community. This is the part where you decide who can view or join and under what terms. If your goal is to restrict access to paying members or specific tiers, this is where you set those controls. If you are offering different levels, be sure the options you choose match your membership plan so access feels fair and straightforward. When everything is configured, the final step is to publish your community. Look for the Activate button and click it to publish. Activating the community makes it live and accessible based on the settings you selected, including your access and pricing rules. This step matters because it is what turns your setup into a real usable destination for members. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.